Are you looking for a reliable, clean and high-efficiency solution to pack heavy powders? Welcome to our automatic valve bag packing machine, designed for industrial-grade performance. This machine perfectly handles a wide range of materials including cement, dry mortar, tile adhesive and fine powders. Equipped with a heavy-duty impeller feeding system, it ensures a smooth and continuous material flow. The integrated dust collection hood keeps your factory clean and complies with strict environmental standards. Accuracy is everything. With smart weighing, sensors and automatic bag discharging, it supports a packing range from 15 to 50 kilograms, maintaining a precision of plus or minus 0.2%.